Hey everyone, I made it into Ross, so check out this boot by DKNY. It's gonna be $45. It is a brown, and down here, you guys, with the fur on the side, you got a little heel. These are 20 each. By Clips, 27. Kind of like a little wedge, mini wedge. Now these blinged out boots are by Karl Lagerfeld. No price on them. A little bit of heel, and check this out over here for $37. This is by 9 West. Zipper on the side. You do got quite a bit of a heel. I've never seen these by Vans with the chain, you guys. They are $35. Those are new for me. And of course, Vince Camuto is still here. These are $59 and $99, so $60. Also comes in black. $27 for these, the boots. No idea who makes it. They are scrunched. They do have a heel. Check out the bling in the back. Bling in the back. It is a heel. These are $25. Madden girl, like a wedge sandal with the bling and gems for $22. A gold buckle. I kind of do like these. $33 by DKNY, especially, you know, just for like rain boots if you want to use it for. These are by Bear Paw for $40. So a little bit of new shoes finally up in Ross, but it does look like it has been picked through. These are polos, and they're going to be 20, like your simple black and green. They also have red, white Skechers up in here. Look at that, like a blinged out slip-on. Those are by the brand Echo. Cozy socks. These are $5. We have Snoopy. Different colors to choose from. And I believe there is a Stitch. Here we go. Here's Stitch. Mini, of course. You want Kate Spade. These are $8. Oh gosh, here's a gnome. There's Mickey for you. You have a cat one for $6. And over here by Marilyn Monroe. For your pet too, they get matching socks. That's kind of funny. Happy Hanukkah. Oh, look at, he's saying Happy Hanukkah to you. That's kind of cool. So I found this randomly, $3.99. I feel like this would make a great stocking stuffer. If they're into the pop it. They have little mini ones here and like a dinosaur one. That is $5.99. And kind of like a medium, a large. These are $8. Michael Kors. This is $89 and $99, all in white. It is pretty long. You get 2 pockets and the fur hood. And let's see, plenty of jackets out right now. So $23. I'm not sure who makes this one, but it is like an easy scrunch up one. And over here by Ashley, a vintage. This one, oh, you know what? There's no price on it. It's kind of like a puffy with like a denim mix if you're feeling that. But the puffy feels very like plasticky. And $37. Okay, yeah, it's like a scrunchy one too if you just need to throw it in your bag. $13 by Olivia and Oak, just like your simple pull-on sweatshirt. Let's see, they also have kind of like that marble tie-dye print. Be on the lookout because, you know, Walmart has them too by Time and True. This one you could cinch at the bottom for $15. And $20, a little zip up one with 2 pockets right in the front. You can zip up. This one's going to be a little hoodie. Okay, that's kind of cute. I'll check this one out for $18. It's really, really soft actually. It zips up like halfway in the front. And then more tie-dye. $40 by Mark, New York. Oh, you know what? It is like a shacket. You do get like the belt too to wrap around. Okay, there is 2 pockets. So $40. And $27. Here's a brand. Little fur by the collar. A gold hardware. 2 pockets right in the front. Different, right? Sheer sleeve. $23. This is actually quite nice by Shelly Segal. $40. You do get the hood, like little fur on the inside, like Sherpa lining. 2 pockets right in the front. And a $73 by Michael Kors. You get that nice for right here. I can't pan out. There's like too many people in front of me. You get the belt, 2 pockets right in the front. Oh, this one's really different for $30. It is by Levi's, so you do have that jean and the sherpa on the outside. Is it reversible? No. Well, you know what? Maybe you could, no, the tags are here. I mean, you could possibly make it work if you cut those off and your hair is going to cover that. I don't know, depending on your style, what you like. $17. Now, I have shared these before. $35 by Mark New York, like the faux leather gold hardware. You know, the motor jacket is coming back. They all come back, you guys. They all come back in style. This one's a little different for $37. 2 pockets right in the front, button closure. And $35 by Mark New York, like the suede. This is actually really, really nice. I am loving the hardware too. How it shines like that. It gives it that pop. I love this. And you know what? I may walk out with this one. Yes, gonna be $50. The large one, 2 pockets right in the front. That looks like really cozy, honestly. And we have a Calvin Klein fur on the hood, 2 zippers. So you could close one, but you cannot detach that. Normally on these like double zipper jackets, one could come off. A different style of Michael Kors, $65. And I want to say, yeah, New Balance, like a very lightweight. Actually, not real, really lightweight. It has like kind of sherpa on the inside, like a vest type. The sleeves don't have it. 2 pockets right in the front. And they do have like this Tommy one. Let's see. Oh, this one's by Guess too. Okay. $60, $59 and $99. This one's gonna be $15. You do get the cami and sweater. It's actually kind of cute, I think. Oh look, they have like a cute peachy one. Again, cami and sweater, but this one's more like a crop. Let's see. Oh, where's the price? Oh, no price. Here we go. $20. And these stripe ones are $13. My daughter's been loving these stripe ones lately. Some are different. Some are more like you can see the holes, so you need like a cami or something underneath it. This one's really, really soft. And $15 for this stripe one with the collar. That's cute too. It's kind of cute. Some cute stuff in here. This one again is going to be like a crop, bling on the side, $17. These are $15, like a really soft hoodie. By Fifth and Son, you're going to have heart print, yellow butterfly. These are $13. Here's a cute Snoopy one for $14. That could be a gift too. Ooh, look at this green one. You know what? This is actually really, really cute. Super cute. A little longer in the back and, you know, shorter in the front. This is $25. I love this. What is this one? Oh, look at this tiny thing. Check this top out for $10. Here's a different style. Well, same style, just a different color. Like that green one. So $25. Let me find out who makes it. Oh, just says cozy on it. These are $15, which is kind of odd because you can find these now in Walmart, you guys. Have you seen those sweatshirts like that? This set is only $13. You have Betty Boop, you have a sweatshirt, and you guys will get the joggers. Oh, look at her. So in the men department, they do have like the flannel of fleece. There's just no pockets on the side. I'm trying to find a price for you. Okay, $18. So about the same price in Costco. If you are filling these for you or for your man or whoever, they're about the same price in Costco, but the inside is like kind of like a sherpa, and they do have pockets, so there'll be like a shacket. So same price in Costco. The style will be $20 if you're filling this. They do have something really similar in Tilly's, like a shacket like this, which I kind of, normally I'm not this style, but I've been kind of feeling it lately. And look over here, corduroy zip up for $25 by Hawk. I mean, the men department has some really good stuff for women, I think. You know, if you want something like this, they have it. Money calls. 20. And this is only $17 by Aeropostale. You could leave it on button wear some boots with it. I feel like if you're wearing it, I mean, that's just for me, you guys. I'm very casual. I am nowhere near girly girl. I try to be, but I'm like tomboy girly girl, I guess. Boys in the Hood. I always see this here. So $10, where I was gonna find Boys in the Hood and Tupac. This one's by the brand Angel Kiss for $35. I know this style seems to be very popular. Okay, here's one flannel. I finally found one for $25. Just a flannel. Oh, you do get 2 pockets right in the front too. Okay, so not bad. This is not bad. $22, so I did find it in white. This one's not as long though. It does come with 2 pockets. The other one didn't. And let's see, this is going to be $25 and $14. This one feels like real leather. I don't know. I mean, this one feels like a little different from the Mark New York. Huh. I think it's fake, but it just feels different. $19. This one is going to be a short one. And if you're loving your animal print, you guys, $25. This is really soft. You do get 2 pockets. The brand is Me Jane, which is like really odd when you find like the names of the brands in Ross, because there's some pants I like. Well, my daughter likes too, and you try googling them, you can't find them. You cannot find them. Looks like stitch in here, camo. That's a really long distressed camo, pink jacket. And this one's really different for $25. It is kind of cool. I do wish it was a tad longer though, just a tad. And again, with that Mark New York suede one, you guys have to try it on. It's just so soft. Like, you don't want to take it off. It's like you just want to be rubbed in it. It is that soft. It's another green, like kind of like cardigan for $14. Pearls. This one's really cute too, I think. $17. Really, really cozy. Snoopy's robe, you guys. And I think I might end the video here. I mean, I am in Ross and it is getting kind of messy. It is, you know, holiday season, so, you know, be nice to the retail employee, because you know what, a lot of it is not their fault if they can't find something, because I have seen, you know, where people are like really like mean, and I'm like, dude, you're in Ross, you're in TJ Maxx. It's kind of like what they have out. But here's like a Juicy Couture like tummy control underwear. I never seen that. It's really, really thick on top. That is 10, and you know, tons of different underwear for all types of people, and it goes up to double X here in Ross. So I'm gonna go ahead and end it here. Please stay safe, and I will see all of you in the next one.